Hello, my name is Diego Saputra NPM 24,412,011 from Accounting Study Program. Introduction to Management. 1. Definition of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling resources, human, material, and financial, to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. The goal is to ensure that all elements of the organization function well to achieve the desired results. 2. History of management. Management has been around since ancient times, but its development as a modern scientific discipline began in the late 19th century. Here are some important figures in the history of management. Frederick Taylor, 1856-1915. Known as the father of scientific management, he introduced a systematic work method to increase productivity through time and motion studies. Henri Fayol, 1841-1925. Developed a classical management theory that includes 5 management functions: planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and coordinating. Fayol also formulated 14 principles of management. Max Weber, 1864-1920, introduced the concept of bureaucracy as a form of organization that has a clear hierarchical structure, defined rules, and systematic procedures. Peter Drucker, 1909-2005. Known as the father of modern management, he emphasized the importance of goals and outcomes, as well as the impact of management on society. 3. Management functions. Management functions can be divided into 4 main categories. 1. Planning. Definition: the process of setting goals and formulating strategies to achieve them. Activities: collecting data, analyzing situations, formulating short-term and long-term goals. Example: creating a business plan for a new product. 2. Organizing. Definition: the process of arranging available resources to achieve goals. Activities: determining the organizational structure, dividing tasks, and allocating resources. Example: forming a project team to carry out a specific initiative. 3. Directing. Definition: the process of leading and motivating team members to achieve goals. Activities: communicating the vision, providing feedback, and building relationships. Example: holding regular meetings to discuss progress and provide support. 4. Controlling. Definition: the process of monitoring and evaluating performance to ensure that goals are being achieved. Activities: using performance indicators, conducting audits, and making adjustments. Example: reviewing financial statements to ensure that budgets are being followed. 4. Types of management. There are different types of management, each with different focuses and goals. Strategic management focuses on developing long-term plans to achieve competitive advantage. This involves market analysis, product development, and resource management. Operational management: managing day-to-day processes to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in production and service delivery. This includes supply chain management and quality control. Human resource management, managing employee relationships and development. Duties include recruiting, training, career development, and performance management. Financial management: managing the organization's financial resources, including budgeting, investing, and cost control. This ensures that the organization has sufficient resources to achieve its goals. 5. Managerial skills. A manager needs to have a variety of skills to perform his or her job effectively. Technical skills: the ability to perform specific tasks in a particular area, such as expertise in data analysis or mastery of a particular software. Interpersonal skills: the ability to communicate and collaborate with others. This includes listening, building relationships, and motivating teams. Conceptual skills: the ability to understand and analyze complex situations, and formulate appropriate strategies. This is essential for effective decision-making. 6. Role of managers. Managers have several important roles in an organization. Decision maker: selects strategies and actions to be taken, based on analysis of data and information. Leader: directs and motivates teams to achieve goals. This includes creating a clear vision and building morale. Connector: Establishes relationships between different parts of the organization and external parties, such as customers and suppliers. 7. Challenges in management. Some of the challenges facing managers today include globalization, understanding and adapting to a complex and diverse global marketplace. Technology, integrating new technologies to improve efficiency and innovation in business processes. Social change, addressing changes in employee behaviors and expectations, including increased demand for flexibility and work-life balance. Sustainability, managing the social and environmental impacts of business operations, and meeting stakeholder demands for corporate social responsibility. 8. Future trends in management. Management continues to evolve as the business environment changes. Some of the trends that are evident include data-driven management, using data analytics to support better decision-making and improve organizational performance. Agile management, a more flexible and responsive approach to change, often used in product development and project management. Sustainability, focusing on sustainability, integrating environmental and social considerations into business strategy. Remote work, the shift to remote work, requiring effective management of distributed teams. 9. Conclusion. Management is a complex and multifaceted process that serves to direct an organization's resources towards achieving goals. Understanding the theories, functions, and challenges of management is critical to the success of organizations in an ever-changing era. As the business world evolves, managers must be ready to adapt and adopt new approaches to meet challenges and take advantage of opportunities. 12.27, October 14, 2024. Sure. Here are some examples in the context of management, along with their explanations. 1. Example of planning in management. Example: a technology company wants to launch a new product within a year. Explanation: the planning process begins by conducting a market analysis to identify consumer needs. The management team then sets specific goals, such as launch time, budget, and product features. They also develop a marketing strategy to attract consumer attention. This plan includes a timeline, resource allocation, and assignment of teams that will be responsible for each aspect of product development. 2. Example of organizing. Example: a manufacturing company decides to form cross-functional teams to improve efficiency. Explanation: in organizing, management determines the team structure by combining members from various departments, such as production, marketing, and finance. Each team member has a clear role and specific responsibilities. By organizing cross-functional teams, companies aim to solve complex problems more effectively, improve communication between departments, and speed up the decision-making process. 3. Directing. Example: a project manager leads a team in implementing a new project. Explanation: in the directing function, the project manager is responsible for motivating the team, providing clear direction, and ensuring that all team members understand the goals of the project. The manager holds regular meetings to provide feedback, discuss progress, and address challenges. He also strives to create a positive and collaborative work environment, so that all members feel involved and motivated to contribute. 4. Controlling. Example: a restaurant implements a performance appraisal system to evaluate staff. Explanation: in controlling, the restaurant management sets performance indicators to measure the efficiency and quality of service. They conduct regular evaluations of employees based on customer feedback, speed of service, and work skills. If employees do not meet standards, management provides additional training or takes corrective action. This process helps the restaurant maintain high service quality and achieve customer satisfaction. 5. Examples of human resource management. Example: a company conducts a training program for new employees. Explanation: human resource management is responsible for ensuring that employees have the skills and knowledge necessary to perform their duties. By implementing a training program, the company provides new employees with a thorough understanding of the organization's culture, work processes, and the use of necessary software. This training not only enhances employee skills but also helps in employee retention and minimizes turnover rates. 6. Examples of financial management. Example: a company creates an annual budget for the coming year. Explanation. In financial management, a company creates a budget to plan expenses and revenues for the year. This process involves analyzing costs, projecting revenues, and identifying the resources needed to support the business plan. With a clear budget, management can control expenses, ensure that investments are made wisely, and evaluate financial performance periodically. 7. Examples of strategic management. Example. A food company conducts a SWOT analysis to formulate a new strategy. Explanation. In the strategic management process, the company conducts a SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analysis to understand their position in the market. By identifying internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats, management can formulate strategies that capitalize on strengths and opportunities while addressing weaknesses and threats. The results of this analysis form the basis for long-term strategic planning. 8. Examples of agility in management. Example. A software company adapts quickly to user feedback. Explanation. In the context of agile management, the software company applies flexible development methodologies, such as Scrum. They conduct short sprints to develop new features, gather user feedback, and quickly make adjustments based on that feedback. This approach allows the company to be more responsive to changing market needs and increases customer satisfaction.